Right now, as far as the exhaust, the shorty headers, just the stock headers with ceramic coating on them. I still have the first cat because I had a smog done, and due to California law, you got to get a smog pass every 2 years. So I had to put my exhaust back the way it was. But my plans are that I bought these RRM headers for the SX4. They fit, but there was some problems with cracking, so they're cut right now, and I need to take them to the exhaust shop. And but at this point, I'm kind of slapping it back together. I got the second cat eliminated. It's just a straight pipe with a cat back Magnaflow exhaust. I'll show you how it sounds. That's it. That's how it sounds. That's how yours could sound too.